and welcome to the Nature of God in Nature. My name is Rich Aguilera, and I want to welcome you to the Lake District in Argentina. It's important to get a good view of the area from a nice high location. So we are riding in chair.
The Bible says that one day, after Jesus had spoken to thousands of people at the edge of the lake, he sent his disciples to get back in the boat and cross to the other side of the lake while he stayed alone to pray a while. This forest of 300-year-old myrtles includes individuals that are over 600 years old.
Behind us, and we're heading deeper into the Lake District on our way to Chile. So why don't we keep on going in the car?
The mountains in the Lake District are called the Andes Mountains. They are the longest mountain range in the world.
It's very dense in here. The jungle is very moist. The ground is very soft. We're here with my two assistants and we're about to ascend Volcán Osorno. One of the best ways to see the forest is on a canopy tour. So we've come here with my assistants. We're all suited up and ready to go. Thanks for being with us here today on the Nature of God in Nature. My name is Rich Aguilera. We'll see you next time. It's a volcano here in Chile. We're gonna go jump in.